Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. I hope you all are doing good. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I'm going to show you a very basic recipe of Kashmiri Ramadan special Babribyol or basil seeds drink. It's very refreshing and it's a very basic recipe that's made in all households of Kashmir during Ramadan. Without this, Kashmiri Ramadan seems incomplete. So let's get started. For making around 2 glasses of Babribyol tresh, I have taken around 1.5 glass of water. Here you can see. You can take chilled or normal, then you can refrigerate it later. And I have taken Babribyol or basil seeds. This is around 2 tablespoons. I really like Babribyol in my drink, so I'm adding more. You can add less. Then some coconut scraps, sugar according to your taste, and milk. I have taken half a glass. You can add more or less milk according to your taste. I like it slightly thin, so I'm adding less milk. We start with soaking Babribyol in water. Here you can see we have to soak it. Until then, I'll add sugar to water. If you have sugar syrup, you can use that also. So I'll mix sugar. Babribyol takes around 5 minutes to swell up. You can see it swells up. So I'll show you how it has swelled up. Within 5 minutes, it will swell up. Here you can see it has swelled up. So I'll add this to water. Give it a good mix. Then add milk, coconut scraps, mix, and it's ready. At this stage, you can check sugar according to your taste. Now if you are adding Roohafza, I'll show you that also. So here now it's ready to be served, or you can chill it if you have not taken cold milk or cold water. I had taken both cold milk and cold water. So it's ready to be served, but it tastes best when it's chilled. Here it's ready and I'm serving it. Babribyol or basil seeds are associated with a lot of health benefits too. You can Google that. And here if you want to add rose syrup or Roohafza, here you can add it directly. So I'm making 1 glass without Roohafza and 1 with Roohafza or rose syrup. So here you can see it's ready. It's ready to be served. You don't need to add any other thing. In case you want to add, you can add some dry fruits. I have already shown few other recipes of Babribyol that I'll be leaving links here in description box. You can check them out. I hope you like this recipe. Do give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Remember in duas, Allah Hafiz.